Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ebron. This is episode 16 of our lessons. On this episode, I have an interesting topic for you, which is how to bypass iCloud on hello mode using iRemover Pro 2. And also, I would like to enlighten you on something called open menu. So someone will ask, what is open menu? Open menu is a situation where you can gain access to the iPhone, but the iCloud account is in the iPhone, so there's no way you can use it on maybe Apple Store, or you can use it to download or do anything unless you remove the Apple ID. In that situation, you have to do something called open menu. So this is what I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about on the screen, right? So this is open menu. You have the access to the phone, and the Apple ID is in the phone, so there's no way to get it out. You see what I'm talking about? So if today is your first time watching my videos, kindly give me a follow. Also subscribe, press notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. Let's dive into the computer and I'll show you how it's done. Let's go. So this is iRemover Pro website. So before you register your iPhone at zebron.com, you have to come to iRemover Pro website, and then all you have to do is to download the iRemover Pro Premium Edition 5.0. So you click on download, and it will take you to this page. So this is the download page that it will take you. So from here, you can click this one and download the file onto your PC. I've already downloaded, so I will go forward and show you how it's done. So one thing I would also like to talk about is that when you're done downloading, your Windows will tell you there's a spyware or malware or something like that in the file. You know how Windows acts, and any software that cracks or that do more advanced, mostly they tell you these things. So all you have to do is to turn off your Windows security. So to turn off your Windows security, I know most of you know, but a lot of people watching my video doesn't even know how to turn off Windows security. So go to your Windows tab and click on this settings gear right here. And then let me bring this one here. You'll see something like this. Let me expand it so you see, right? So you see something like this. Click on this security, privacy and security. Clicking on it, and then click on Windows security. Okay, so go to virus and treasure protection. You will have this pop up. Okay, so scroll down and click on manage settings. Turn off this real-time protection and turn off I think that's all, this real-time protection. Just turn it off, else it is going to distract you anytime you open the iRemover Pro. So close this, close that, and this is the downloaded file you have to download from the iRemover Pro website. So some of you, I don't know what kind of Windows you may have, but sometimes you need extractor to extract it, like WinRAR or zip file. So all you have to do is that right click on it and just choose how you want to extract it, right? Extract it to my PC. So it's going to extract the file onto my PC. So this is the file we are talking about right here. So let me open it and I'll show you. This is the software we are going to use. So this is the iRemover software, and I'm going to connect my phone. My phone is already activated. It's a working phone, not a bypass phone though. So I just want to show you what information it will pop up when I connect the phone. So let me connect my phone, so I will show you how it's going to appear on the computer. Okay, as you can see this message, your device is already activated. So that's not what I'm talking about. So if your device is not activated, the software will also tell you. When you connect to your phone, these are the information you will see. So if your phone is not activated, it will also show here, and the software will also tell you if your phone support or not. So if the software tells you that your phone support the bypass, all you have to do is to copy your serial number, right? You see copied. You copy your serial number and then you head on to zebron.com. So that is where we are going to register the serial number. So let's go to zebron.com. And as you can see, this is zebron.com, and if you don't have an account, you can create one for yourself, and if you do have an account, just follow along. Before I move forward, I would like to introduce this guy to you. It is called Zbot. So Zbot is actually a Telegram manager. If you have a big Telegram group which you cannot manage, people post things, you don't want people to forward things, you don't want people to post pictures or maybe links and all that, Zbot will automatically manage your group without saying a word to anybody in the group. So you can try Zbot. I have video on my YouTube channel how to set it up. You can go and watch the Zbot video and connect it. So secondly, those of you who wants to join my training, this is the WhatsApp page, and also this is the Telegram page. If you come here, click on any of them, you can join, read the information that I post in the group. If you're okay with it, just enroll and I'll educate you to become a pro. So let's move forward and I'll show you how it's done. So let's close this. If you have an account, just follow along. If you don't have an account, just click on register and log in to follow along. So let me click on this one here and say Zebron, and then I have to verify whether I'm a human or robot. So to say bus, just choose bus. Bicycle, choose bicycle. Okay, done, and click login. Okay. So if you log into zebron.com for the first time, close this and close that. This information is very important if you're a new user. If you're an old user, I know you have read it already. So close it. So if you're a new user, your account balance will be 0000. So all you have to do is to buy credit. And how can you buy credit if you don't know what you are trying to order? So this phone I shown you right here is iPhone 14 Pro Max. So 14 Pro Max, just click on order now, click on IMEI services. I keep telling you guys that IMEI services is where we do bypass and also net career unlocking, MDMs and whatever you want to do. So you come here and then you scroll down to the bottom because iRemover Pro is also listed here. So as you can see, all these ones are 12, so 13, let's go to 14 and go to 14 and 14 Pro Max. So let's assume we want to bypass. This is the one we're supposed to click on it, and then as you can see right here, this is the price to bypass this particular phone, and also this is the duration. It's like 5 to 1 minute. It's supposed to be registered, your serial number I mean. So the serial number I shown you, you copy it right here and then come here and paste your serial number here and leave the note, leave the comment, leave the response email, just place order. Make sure you have the balance in your account. However, if you do not have the balance, maybe you are a new user, you just check it, click on add credit right here and it will take you to this page right here. Hoptel is available for Ghanaians and anybody who have a credit card or Visa card. DPO, the same thing, mobile money, credit card, is support for Ghanaians and anybody from around the world. And Binance is also global. Everybody knows about Binance. And OPay is for Nigerians. And then Uganda MTN mobile money, Zambia MTN mobile money is also available. However, these three ones are manual. So if you click on the method, please read the description and know what to do next. Because if you click on this one too, it is going to give you a guide as to what you're supposed to do on your phone to be able to buy credit. And also this one too is also giving you a guide as to what to do, what to dial to buy credit from your mobile money. So that is how that one is done. So after buying credit, you can as well go back to order now IMEI services. As I said earlier, and then you can place your order by scrolling down and then selecting that particular services that you need, and then paste the serial number here and leave all these ones. Just place the order. In a few minutes your order will be ready. All you have to do is to go back to the software and then connect to your phone and then click activate. You don't need to wait. Before it's supposed to take like 3-4 days, 1 week, but this new update is going to give you a fast bypass you ever know. So you register your serial number, just come here, connect to your phone and press activate. That's all you have to do, and you don't need to jailbreak, you don't need to do anything. Just press activate and then the software will do the rest. So guys, let's also talk about open menu, because I mentioned open menu to you. So open menu is a situation I showed you whereby the iCloud account is in the phone, but there's no way you can get it out because maybe the iCloud account is not for you, or you don't know the password, or whatever being the case. So how do you do it? So let's go to zebron.com again. So order now, IMEI services. This page is where it will take you to. So just click here and type open menu like that. So as you can see, there are so many services for open menu, bunch of services. However, all of them works 100%, right? So all you have to do is to do a little bit of reading, because open menu, it is easy to do, but if you don't like reading, it is difficult, right? So you have to just, let's say for instance, this is what you want to use. So you click on this one. Please, you see right here, this one you need to download a tool from their website. So all you have to do is to click this one and maybe go to the website. It will take you to their website where you can download the open menu software onto your PC, as you can see right here. So click on this and it will direct you to the right place for you to download the right file for yourself, right? Okay, so this is their data, which you're supposed to download any of the services that they have, because they have files for MDM, for iPhones and all that. So if you are trying to do open menu, you can do the list as to how you see what you want to do. So this is the open menu video you can watch and see how it's done, right? So if you're a new user or you have never done open menu before, please, if you get to this page, download this video and watch how it's done, and then you can follow the step. And this is the software you have to download to your PC, and then you can use this software to do it. This is for Windows and this is for MacBook. So if you have a MacBook or any Apple product, use this one. But if you have a Windows computer, just download this one and follow the instructions. So all you have to do is to click on it, enter the serial number of your device right here, and then submit. Make sure you have this amount in your account. It will submit your serial number into their system. So if you download the software, follow the instructions and just click maybe activate or bypass or whatever being the case. That is not only the software for open menu. So this company also have one. You can click on it. One interesting thing is that open menu softwares or activations are not expensive. So you can imagine the prices that you are seeing in Ghana cities, right? So as you can see, all this information are right here. So please read all this information, because if you don't read the information and follow it, you may come back saying you ordered the thing but it's not working. Please read. So this is also a link to download their software for the open menu remover, right? So what it's going to do is that it is going to turn off the FMI on that particular phone. So when the FMI is being turned off, it means that the iCloud account on that particular device has been deactivated. So you can restore the phone and activate the phone as a brand new phone that you bought, right? So that is how the open menu works. So if you scroll down to the top, they have this ones too. You can also check it out. So let me click this, and it's also take you to their website, so you can go and download the software right from their website, and then you can use the software to activate your phone. I'm just showing you that because most of people ask me, do we have open menu access? You know, there are so many software for the open menu, so I just felt like let me show you how it's done. So all you have to do is to pick the right software or the right service that you want. All of them works, but just do your findings sometimes, because some of them sometimes iOS compatibility, you know, sometimes iOS 18.14, you know, now iOS 18.16 is out, so maybe you have updated your phone. So please go to their website and do a little bit of background research before you order it, because sometimes if you don't do your research, you just watch the video and you jump in to order it. However, after ordering it, it might not work for you, you understand, because of the iOS version. So please do your research. So this one, as I shown you, we order it with ECID. We don't order it with IMEI. We don't order it with serial number. We order it with ECID. So how do you find the ECID? You have to go to their website, and then you have to download the open menu software, whether you are using a Mac or you are using a Windows PC. Open the software and connect your phone. The software will tell you the ECID. Copy the ECID and then come back to Zebron.com, paste your ECID here and place the order. That is all. And then after placing the order and it shows successful, just open the app, reconnect your phone again and click activate, and then it will remove the the open menu from the phone. Sometimes some of the open menu software require a long process, so keep it in mind that some of them are one click, some of them will require you to go further to do proxy things, or sometimes go to their website for some kind of pop-up activation. So that's the reason why I tells you that read, because I can't teach you each and every one by one, but those are open menu services, and if we say open menu services, that is what it means. But all you have to do is please read. If you can't read, please go to YouTube and watch some of the open menu videos, because if you watch some of the videos, you will know what I'm talking about. Because the software for open menu is not one software. There are so many softwares they have, and there are different process to use it, right? So scroll to the top, and you can also see some of them which is quite expensive than the ones I shown you. So you can see this one is for iPhone 13 series, and most of the ones that are expensive are mostly one click. So all you have to do is to download. So as you can see the instructions, download the software. But you see, the instructions that they are giving you, they are also giving you some kind of a warning, so you should also know that Game Center asking for password not supported. So sometimes you go to the Game Center on your phone, trying to turn the Game Center, try to log out the Game Center, and the Game Center will ask for password. What they are trying to tell you is those kind of phones doesn't support. And also media and pictures asking for password. So if you are trying to download anything and it's asking for password, it doesn't support. So just know which one you are trying to do, and also read through their information and then follow the instructions, because I did my best to put out all the description right here so that you guys can go through. So most of the time if you want to order something, don't just go ahead because you watch the video and then trying to put your serial number. Please do a little bit of research. I know that is a lot to do for most people, but that is the right thing to do, because I can't tell you everything all the time, but sometimes, to be advanced or to get to somewhere, you have to also do your research, right? So that is open menu service at your disposal. So as you can see, there are so many options for different kinds of models you can also choose from. So guys, if today is your first time watching my videos, kindly give me a follow. Also subscribe, press notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. My name is Zebron. Enjoy the rest of my videos. Peace.